My name is Kenichi Matsui. I'm an associate professor at the University of Tsukuba in Japan. And here I'm a Carson fellow, and I focus on issues that are related to traditional knowledge, especially ethical and legal implications of it. Traditional knowledge can include not only indigenous people's knowledge, but also local knowledge, local people's knowledge, which can be also helpful, for example, for conserving biological diversity or dealing with environmental issues in general. At Carson Center, I'm more interested in looking at theoretical aspects of ethical and legal implications of using, collecting, and validating traditional knowledge. I have about four questions to look at. First question I have is about the definition of traditional knowledge. I want to see how this definition has been evolved and how scholars since the 1990s been discussing about the definition of traditional knowledge. The second question is whether or not indigenous people's knowledge or local people's traditional knowledge should be integrated into scientific management of environmental issues. And my third question is about the validation process of traditional knowledge. Who will be the one to authenticate the knowledge? And the fourth question is, what are the actual problems related to ethical and legal implications of collecting, using, and validating traditional knowledge? So I want to identify as many as possible about these problems. Doing research on ethical and legal implications of traditional knowledge studies is important to, first of all, achieve better understandings of cross-cultural communication. Because in the past 20, 30 years, there have been many misunderstandings about indigenous peoples and local peoples' traditional knowledge. So I think it's time to provide some ideas that we can achieve better cross-cultural communication among different stakeholders.